How is that possible? It was stuck in Wisconsin, Ohio Trainwreck. I'm not sure if it was involved in that or...
The first train derailed in a city called Pound, Wisconsin. So it derailed in Pound Town, Wisconsin.
Okay.
Our engine was on the train behind that train.
Yeah, but the part that I don't get is then they told me it was recovered and it was in Portland.
How did it get to Portland?
So is that just a term they use for shipping when things get moved around, or was it on that train that was piled in?
If it was, that's an even better story.
Is this foreshadowing?
You never go to Pound Town, Wisconsin with this car.
Your mods, you never get your money back out of it. But when it's in a running state and it's worth like 20, 30 grand or whatever, you can dump that money into it and actually get it out.
Yeah.
As long as you don't pay anything for the car.
Yeah.
So I think when it comes time for the engine and the transmission,
It's gonna be a nightmare.
that's when the nightmare's gonna be.
So I'm thinking, we need to basically have like 3 big sessions with it.
Yeah.
First, you jack it up. All the suspension, the steering, and everything just comes out of it.
Yeah.
And all new everything goes into it. This is the best one I could find. I did a lot of searching.
Yeah.
And it was a little bit more, but...
This is actually the, not the super cheap one, right?
No, this was like...
This is
1900? This is out of a luxury car.
Yeah.
So it's so much a 3S, the guys take the pistons out of these from 3Ss.
Oh, really?
No,
That's
it's
funny. This is the 2JZ, not the 2...
I don't think they had a basic one. It's not an FE. It's a GE, which is the performance heads. From what I was looking at, this would be more power than the rotary turbo, linear, tons of torque, 125 pounds less. I think we got shit grounds. I got like 1 volt on that line. That's an ABS fuse. Dude, like nothing's getting power.
Are you saying there's no max power?
Yeah, it's kind of dead, man. I think we probably need to figure out that other harness, wire all the grounds and crap in, unless you chop something somewhere. Because it just like half the stuff's not getting power. We're gonna gold wrap all the intercooler tubing.
So we should gold the inside of the engine bay.
Oh, yeah, I got gold for that too. I got gold for that too. Gold just kind of ended up being the color for this because of the whatever those Max Pro parts are.
Retro color too, though.
It is.
So gold is the thing with RX-7s for whatever reason. I think it's because of the Falcon, probably.
Oh, Boss Hub for steering wheel. Oh, there's one in the glove box, but I don't know if it matches, and I didn't want to risk it because they're cheap. Oh, I guess I don't really need to open this. It's a reusable air filter, like HKS style.
It's very cool. It looks good.
This is
Gold.
gold.
That's a TRD.
It has a TRD. So. It's funny, okay, the reason that's funny is it's a 2J going into things that's TRD. Oh, it's your coolant overflow tank in gold.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It's such a nice retro color though, like it really is. It's such a nice retro gold.
Oh, we got heat shield.
Oh, sick.
For a turbocharger.
In gold! I love that.
It's gonna get toasty in that engine bay, so I figured that was probably a good call.
Yeah.
Oh, oil return fitting for a turbocharger. External wastegate. In gold. This is your coolant overflow can.
Oh man, it's also
in gold.
It looks like a beverage.
It does. It looks like an gold energy drink can with a dealie at the bottom.
I think with all the accessories being gold in there as well, it should look pretty nice. Okay, I'm guessing this is not gold.
Oh, we actually got a wheel too?
I don't know which one it is exactly. Go ahead and pull it out.
Oh, that's sick.
Oh, it is the one I wanted. Okay, flip it over. Flip it over. King of Vertex, and you'll see it through the windshield.
Man. It feels great too.
Is it like...
Give it a feel.
Oh, okay, so it's actually got the writing all over it, but you can't see it. It's subtle.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, so this is Vertex Japan.
Yeah. I like the subtleness though, and it has all the whatever limited on it and everything. Oh, and it's gold.
It's gold. And
it's got gold stitch.
Dude, we even got this thing for a horn.
I know.
Holy crud. I don't think we ever had an aftermarket horn.
That may not work. I think there's an extra thing out that goes with this out in the garage. I think I have a one of those Sparco like quick release hubs for it in gold. I also like how it's got just the round holes because I think it's kind of old school. It kind of fits the era. Yeah, I had a hard time finding a gold one, and I wanted the King of Vertex. And the subtle black lettering in there, I just think is sick.
No, I think it's amazing.
Yeah. All right, I think we should continue this party in the garage.
Let's go.
Take this.
I gotcha.
Damn, sure. Gotta remove all these bushings. The second with WD in it, yeah?
Blast some WD. Let them have it.
This is shit with
Oh yeah, delicious.
Yeah, did you bring marshmallows? You bring marshmallows?
I got some in the house, man. God, that smell.
Burnt road.
Yeah.
Smells like cookout. I'm thinking you need a shot that's like original Fast and Furious with a race against time and all that. Yeah. All right, let's see what this is. I'm waiting to open one of these for it not to be car stuff.
I'm sure that's probably gonna happen. My textbook's in here somewhere.
No, dude, this is cool as hell. Looks expensive too. So what is? So this bolts in half, and it goes in there, and you just do front mount. Oh. How cool is that? It replaces
insane.
all this junk.
That was incredible.
Yeah, man, how much do you think that cost me? That's all TIG weld.
I don't know. $50.
That's what that was kind of the opposite. I was going with that. It's cheap. So. Cool though, huh?
Since we're theming this thing so hard
Because
for gold.
right now it goes over the top, and it makes it hard to close the hood and everything. Well, that's what I was saying about this whole thing, right? Like, if you didn't know all the stuff to get, it would just take you forever.
Yeah.
What we got here? Oh, we got,
what's this one?
we got some hoses.
Hoses? Sweet.
I think this is, yeah, the coolant thing, and they gave it to me in the wrong color. I ordered gold.
Oh no.
Oh, it's supposed to be gold?
Silver. Yeah.
Oh, well.
Oh well.
You can't win them all, apparently.
Apparently not.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's time for this weird one.
Yeah.
Because it has a
We were
thing on
guessing
here.
C-rails, but
It says we're exploding batteries.
this looks like a reused box to me.
Ooh.
Oh, it's 2JZ downpipe, and it's V-band. No, it's not gold. I got gold wrap for it though.
It will be gold.
That's true.
This was not cheap. It's one of the more expensive pieces, which is weird, but it was custom. So, oh, here we go, man.
Max speeding rod.
We got max speeding. Okay, max speeding. No, it just makes us finish. We got. Oh, dude, they got way better stickers. Check that.
Oh man, that's like an emblem.
That's a sick one.
That's a sick sticker.
This comes with a warranty. This is a big dog.
The turbo.
Max speeding turbocharger. Dude, like it says max speeding on it, and it is what takes that V-band setup and everything.
I like the whole like praise the box symbol.
I got all like Supra stuff because I knew it'd be sufficient to cool it and whatnot, and that's what it is.
That's very nice looking. This one got a bit dinged up apparently.
Okay, I think I know what this is. This is the one you're gonna probably have to cut the trim for.
Oh, it's like a roll bar.
Harness bar thing.
Harness bar. Oh, it's black too.
Harness bar. Yeah, I think I didn't match. I couldn't get a gold one, so
That's really nice.
I figured black would be the way
Black's
to go.
good, yeah. Considering everything's black that's in there.
So it's pretty beefy. I've got a bunch of these. These work pretty well. So the FC, even though it has the auto belts, has the holes for the stock seat belts. They're under the trim, so we just have to cut a hole and then we can bolt this in. Yeah, I don't remember what all this stuff is. I remember a lot of thought went into all the pieces that I needed. The angle, dude. The angle.
Insane. There's no way the tire's not gonna touch.
We're gonna have to cut shit out, I think. This is more angle than that dude had on YouTube, bro.
If it's like, you know, like a 10-inch tire.
No, I think this is more angle than that dude had on YouTube.
That might be.
The whole thing is insane.
Interesting. Nothing's like, nothing's original.
No. Well, the spindle, the center spindle, where the tire bolts on it. That's the only thing. So those angle things, they're small enough they actually go in the rack, so the rack goes further than it normally would. Because it normally gets slams into it, you know, you get that cheat, cheat, cheat. Well, now it goes in, like a couple inches more, either way. Which is why you get the mad angle. Dude, now the brake things didn't even strip out. It had like no issues.
Oh, interesting.
Odd.
That's because it blew up with 100 miles on it.
Yeah.
Advantage.
Yeah, that's a bad sign.
That's kind of weird. That's not great. Yeah, but it's not the first time RX-7's had engine issues. Let's just be honest.